Next, we are going to look at the absolute value and its property. Recall the absolute value of the real number a is the same as a for a is greater than or equal to 0. Absolute value of a is opposite of the a or negative a for a is less than 0. A less than 0 means if a is negative, the result will come out as positive value, or we disregard the negative sign. We use absolute value to explain the magnitude or the distance between the value 0 and the a. In part A, we are going to evaluate absolute value of negative 10. Negative 10 is negative number, so absolute value of negative number is positive number or opposite of what we have. So the answer is just 10. In part B, we're going to evaluate the negative of the absolute value of 12 minus 7. Compute 12 minus 7 first before apply the absolute value and negative outside. So the result is negative of absolute value of the 5 or just negative of the 5. The application that we can see in number 6 as the use of the absolute value property. Sue boards an eastbound train in Central Station at the same time Joy boards a westbound train in Central Station. After riding the straight line for 20 minutes, Sue's train has traveled 13 miles east, while Joy's train, also on the straight line, has traveled 7 miles west. Find the distance between the two trains at this time. Assume the straight line is true to its name and that the tracks lie literally along a straight line. Use the real number line to represent the direction or the distance for these two trains. In Center Station, at the beginning point of time, or we set it up at 0, Sue travels east. After 20 minutes, the train travels like 13 miles. Sue travel east and then Joy travel west. Travel west, since it goes opposite direction, we use positive side for the Sue distance and negative side for the Joy distance. The question asks for the distance between the two trains. So the distance between Joy's train and the Center Station be absolute value of negative 7. The distance between the Center Station and Sue's train would be absolute value of 13. So then the total distance between these two trains would be absolute value of negative 7 plus absolute value of 13, or 7 plus 13. The result is 20 miles apart